Welcome back to May and Lance Family Vlog. So today, bago tayo magluto ng isa pang recipe, pasyal muna tayo sa pinakamalapit na park dito sa bahay namin, ang Assiniboine Park and Assiniboine Zoo. Let's go guys! Ngayon, magluluto na naman ulit tayo ng isa pang recipe. Actually, ito nirequestan ng aking labi-dabi. So, gusto daw niya ng lumpiang sariwa. Ito na yung ating ingredients. So, for the filling ng ating lumpia, meron tayong singkamas, carrots, cabbage, celery, onion, garlic, at ang ating chickpeas. And then we also have shrimp, fish sauce, ground pepper, and salt. Para naman sa ating sauce, meron tayo chopped garlic, chopped peanuts, brown sugar, soy sauce, peanut butter, cornstarch, salt, and pepper to taste. Para naman sa ating lumpia wrapper, meron tayong 3 cups of flour, 4 eggs, 3 tablespoons cooking oil, cooking spray, and then we have 3 cups of water.
it's tikim time again. Ito yung lumpiang
So,
sariwa.
tikman na natin. Judgment time.
Alright, let's do it. Napapanigilipan. Lumpiang sariwa.
Mukhang kainaman ito. Homemade yung ano, yung wrapper niya. Tama-tama ito sa Holy Week.
The best. The best. Hindi mo na ako magsasalita. Talagang wala akong masabi.
Speechless. Siya kasi may request nito. Talagang nung pa niya ito nire-request na gawin ko. So try nyo. Let me know if you like it. And that's it, guys. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Just like, watch, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, May Alan's Family Vlog. And thank you so much for all your support. Bye, guys.
Thank you, guys. See you on our next video. Bye-bye.
And stay safe. Bye.